Most of us write in a resume that I'm a good problem solver. Perhaps just like a default skill we put that in, without thinking much on the possibility for a question. And sometimes we fail to answer when they shoot back. How do you solve problems? Rather, what's your approach for a given problem? So let's see how to answer this question, or rather let's see how to improve your problem solving skills. Because problem solvers are always in demand, irrespective of the industry, irrespective of the organization. Doing a job without a hurdle is just an ordinary process, and every employer needs someone who can find solution for their problem. The first step is to stick with the problem. We tend to run away because it's really uncomfortable to stay in that period where you discover the problem and you have to find the solution. If you want to mold yourself as a good problem solver, you need to stick with that particular discomfortness for a while, because nothing is permanent. There are problems that you can run away from, and there are problems where you have no option to run away from. If you decide to stick with that discomfortness for every problem that comes in, you can effectively find solution for the problem where you have no option to run away from. Do not generalize the problem. My phone has a problem. Problem seems bigger when you generalize them. We need to get into the specifics of the problem. My Wi-Fi is not getting connected. There's a lot of difference between my phone has a problem and my Wi-Fi connectivity has a problem. When you go into the specifics, you will be able to isolate the problem and really find the core problem. And now the problem is the Wi-Fi is not getting connected. You need to immediately find the containment action or the temporary fix. Use someone else's phone to do an urgent work. Root cause analysis. Once you find the temporary fix, you need to parallelly start the root cause analysis to find the root cause of the problem. There is a famous Japanese methodology called 5-why analysis. One of those tools used to find the root cause of your problem. This is as simple as asking this question 5 times. Why? Why there is a problem in your phone? My Wi-Fi is not getting connected. Why your Wi-Fi is not getting connected? There is a software compatibility issue. Why there is a software compatibility issue? I am using an old version software. Why are you using an old version software? The automatic updation did not happen. Why the automatic updation did not happen? I'm sorry, I had switched off this functionality. You got the answer within 5 whys. By the way, this is just a simple example to make you understand. Try out all the possibilities before you call someone. For example, when you call someone and say, my phone has a problem, he'll ask you a series of questions. Did you restart the phone? Did you try connecting with someone else's phone? Did you try connecting to a different Wi-Fi? Is a normal internet in your phone is working? This will just waste your time and his time. You just can't blindly say, I have a problem. You need to also say, these are the things I have tried out and did not work. And ensure all the possibilities are tried from your side. Collaborate. If you are really stuck, you need to collaborate and ask for support. Because time should be given a priority as well. You just can't sit with the problem. There are experts, there are seniors, there are people who have faced a similar problem. It's very important to make use of someone else's learning. And once you find the solution, very important to learn something from every problem. Maintain the lessons learned and try to share with the team. So how do you answer this question? I stick with the problem. I see that particular discomfortness of being in the problem as a learning zone and a challenging experience. I do not generalize the problem. I try to get into the specifics of the problem and isolate the core problem. I try all possible ways to find the temporary solution first and start my root cause analysis. I try out all possibilities of finding a solution using my experience, knowledge, and common sense. I try to collaborate and ask for support when I'm really stuck, because time should be given a priority as well. And finally, I learn something from every problems I solve. And please do not use the same sentences that I'm using. You need to build your answer incorporating all these tips. It should seem like something coming from your heart. And answer it like your thoughts. Now you can go and update your resume, because problem solvers are always in demand. All the best for your interviews. Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.